Hey friends, this is Rashi with Long and Foster. Welcome to our virtual open house for this beautiful property behind me. This is at 2319 Butte Place in Waldorf. A little bit about the home. So this is a three-level townhome in the Berry Valley subdivision in Waldorf, very conveniently located. And this is the sought-after North Point High School district. Literally, the home is within walking distance of North Point High School. So just very, very popular, for that being one of the reasons, and also right off 228, very well connected to all major commute routes, shopping, dining, entertainment, just minutes from the National Harbor, MGM, the casinos, and overall all access points in the DMV area. About the home itself, we're just going to do like a virtual open house and just a little bit of information about the home. This is a three-level interior unit townhome, and it's all three levels are finished. It's about 2,000 square feet of finished space, features 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths, 1 half bath. The basement does have a room, which could be an optional 4th bedroom. There's a really nice big open space, perfect for a family room, rec area, den, whatever you would like to use it for. And there is a backyard with a custom patio. So just that's a little bit. And as I'm going through the open house, as I'm walking through the home, I'll share a little bit more information. Several updates made over the years, so we'll talk about that too. So the way I normally do this is, as you've seen in my past tours, we use the Matterport 360 tour. So I'm just going to go ahead and share that screen. And this is what you should be seeing. Okay, so this is the inside of the home. We're just going to step really quick, just go to the outside. This is what the outside looks like. This is the front of the home. It's like I said, 3 levels, and there's a little bit of kind of below the basement, but on the outside, on the back, it is a walkout basement. The house itself has 2 assigned parking spots. So the 2 spots here in front are assigned to each townhouse. And the section across the street, there are several visitor spots. This is where the mailboxes are. So just very private. It's mostly just like, cars of belong to people who actually live here. And it's not usually too crowded. It's never been an issue finding a spot in the visitor spot. So now let's go back inside. When you enter, this here is your foyer, like step up foyer. This on the right is the coat closet. And the couple of steps up take you to this level. And as you can see, this is gleaming hardwood floors, and this was replaced in recent years. On your left is the beautiful kitchen, also updated. Very nice. These 3 large windows bring in a lot of natural light, making it feel even more spacious. This is ceramic tile flooring. And as you can see, all the appliances are updated stainless steel. These are less than 3 years old. Refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, everything was replaced. Beautiful counters. This is the quartz countertops, also replaced in recent years. Sink, everything, just like very, very well updated and ready to move in. This here is the kitchen table space, which is how it's been set up. So definitely some room for that. This door here leads to your half bath, the powder room on the main level. And this is the beautiful powder room, functional, right there where you need it. This space leads to your dining living combo. So here is where the dining is set up. As you can see, the hutch, the buffet, and the dining table. This is really nice here. This little cutout window looks through onto the kitchen. So not only does that share the natural light to between spaces, but also like, during gatherings and stuff, that's convenient to have this look on to that space, to the dining living space. So all this is hardwood continuing here all the way through the dining and the formal living area. Beautiful, very, very nice sized formal living room, very well designed space. This door here is an option if you would like to build a deck. This home does not have a deck, but that's what this door is built for. So again, it brings a lot of natural light, looks onto the backyard. So it's just a sliding door with this wooden kind of a railing. But it could be in the future, could be expanded to convert it to a deck. So this is the living room. It's one step down to the living, and this area is your dining room. Again, with that little window looking onto the kitchen. So I just like to walk around, the entire area. So it gives you a feel for the space. Another window on this side. So that's the thing, with the townhome, just a lot of windows and bright lights, making it very spacious and of course, bright and cheerful. One of the other updates, including the flooring, most of the flooring was redone in recent years. All the lighting was updated. So beautiful chandeliers here in the dining area and the kitchen, LED lighting on the stairways. So let's go ahead and go up. We'll go to the bedroom level first, and then we can step down to the basement. All this is the Berber carpet, so very durable and sturdy. Steps to the upper level. On your right here is the owner's suite, and the flooring in two of the bedrooms was updated to the beautiful LVP, the luxury vinyl plank flooring. It was in this owner's suite and one of the additional bedrooms on the upper level. So this again, very nice sized bedroom. Here's your walk-in closet. There is some attic access here in the owner's suite closet. This is two nice sized windows. They look onto the private backyard. It backs to the woods, so very private. And like you can see, there's a chair set up here. So like plenty of space. This is an additional closet in the owner's suite. And this is your owner's bath, where you have the tub shower combo. This is the vanity here, toilet here, and again, like another window, which is always nice having a window in the bathroom, also bringing in lots of light. So that is the owner's suite complete. Very nice space, a lot of room, and feels spacious, and of course, all the light coming in. So this is the upper hallway. This is the second full bathroom on the upper level. And the flooring was redone here in the bathrooms too, in the bathroom and the laundry room. So all the bathrooms were redone with this LVP, and the two bedrooms. One was the owner's suite, and this is the second bedroom. All bedrooms have the closet. That's the closet there. This is just set up as like a second like sitting area, but big enough to fit like a queen bedroom set. This window looks onto the front yard. This is the third bedroom on this upper level. This is the room where the old carpet was maintained, original carpet. And again, this window looks onto the front yard. Also big enough, really nice, big sized for a bedroom set, to accommodate a bedroom set. This is the closet for that. And again, some overhead storage space. So that's good too. So as you can see, the windows, they have that wider sill. So like great seating areas in both the rooms. It's been set up like that. So this is your upper level. Moving along, we are going to go to the basement. That's a nice thing about these tours. You can traverse the steps really quickly. Okay, going down. Same Berber carpet throughout here in the basement too. So when you land here on the basement landing, on the left is your laundry room. So very nice sized, nicely set up laundry room. This here leads to some storage. It's the little unfinished part of the basement, which is a storage. As you can see, this is the same LVP flooring in the laundry room. This here is a bedroom. We don't call it like the fourth bedroom because there is no window in here, but there is a closet, and it has been set up as a fourth bedroom. And that's what, we expect it to be used as, to be set up as a fourth bedroom. On this side, right opposite the stairs, is the third full bathroom in the unit. This is the basement full bathroom. So that's perfect. You have the guest suite and the bathroom right here in the basement. The second part of the basement includes this nice big finished space, perfect for a family room. You can set it up as like the rec room, like I said, pool table, kids play area, just like whatever the need is. Very, very nice spaced. Some additional storage here and this little nook also, just, if you want to set up like a home bar, mini bar, that would be a perfect location for that. And the sliding door leads to the walkout basement. So let's step outside. On the backyard, this is this nice custom patio and some landscaping done. So very nice private space, great to enjoy the outdoors. This is the AC unit. So as part of the updates, this the whole HVAC system inside and outside unit, they were replaced in 2018. So everything is very well maintained and ready to go on this house. And that, like I said, this backs to the woods, so there are like no other homes at the back. So just like nice private backyard. And that's what that space looks like. So yeah, so this is our open house. Just like a quick tour showing you what the home looks like. And I do have the picture, so let me just go ahead and stop sharing that and just go do the pictures for you. So you can, everything is already online, but I just like to do a little bit with the pictures too. So let's get a little music going. That's always nice. Start the slideshow. To start sharing. This is what you should be seeing now. This just takes us through all the pictures in the home. The kitchen. So yeah, just the recent updates. Like I mentioned, they include the updated flooring. We have this beautiful hardwood flooring on most of that first floor, the main floor. We have the carpet, the Berber carpet on the stairs and the other remaining bedrooms. Two of the bedrooms on the upper level and bathrooms and the laundry room have the LVP flooring. There is some extra flooring available, to get the third bedroom done. But right now it's just for the two bedrooms. Just very nice home. And as you can see, it's set up really beautifully. So just like perfect. So many options to make it your own. And the big feature about this home is the proximity to the North Point High School. Very, very popular high school district. And a lot of families do want to be in this area. And this is literally walking distance. So just like from the Lexington Drive, it's Davis Road, and then just like within walking distance of North Point High School. This here is the master bedroom, owner suite. All the lighting has been updated. That's the tub shower combo. Nice sized closet. The bedrooms. Okay, so this is pretty much the layout, all the bedrooms and full bath, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath. and with the option of that fourth bedroom in the basement. This is the basement open space, the rec room, second family room. Here we got this room virtually staged, set it up as a family room. So that's perfect, just giving you a little feeling of how this can be set up. So this is what our beautiful townhome looks like. Gonna go ahead and let's stop the music. The home went on the market a few days back. Just showings have opened up. We've been receiving a lot of good activity. So yeah, if you're interested, please reach out for your private showing. And if you know anybody who's looking in this area, please share with them. Thanks so much for watching.